Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few months worth of time. It's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I apologize, I just realized I had some of the recording off the screen, but we haven't gotten into any of the nitty-gritty details yet. As a friendly reminder though, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15-20 hours from now after I post it, then yeah, the chart may look a little bit different for you. But from a big picture perspective, I'm just going to talk about the general areas. That way it keeps this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to walk you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first question that really need to ask yourself about now is in regards to this area right here at 3850, which I've talked about in several of the past videos. And the questions here aren't very complicated or anything like that. In fact, hopefully they kind of insult your intelligence. But the main question is just simply, where is the price still at relative to 3850? If you are answering the question that the price is still down below that area, well, then that's telling you that the bears are still really trying to knock on the door, potentially creating a much bigger movement. Now, over the weekend, the bears did break down through this area of 3850. So that does need to be updated to an area of resistance, and that's just basic technical analysis. When levels of support are broken, they tend to act as resistance. So 3850 is indeed a level of resistance going into tomorrow. And that is why, you kind of need to take a little inventory check of where is the price still at relative to that area. Now, if you were answering the question that the price is up above 3850, well, then that's a great sign for the bulls. That would be implying that, at the moment you were watching this, whether that's 10, 15, 20 hours from now, that the price has indeed recovered back up to at least this area to get back above 3850. But again, if you were answering the question that the price is still down below it, well, then that is the bears still threatening. Threatening what exactly? Well, that's a good question, and that brings about our next question that you should ask yourself, and that is, where is the price at relative to that pink line there, which on my chart is denoting the very famous 200 period simple moving average. So right there around 3750. If you are answering the question that the price is still up above 3750, well, then again, that doesn't necessarily mean that things are bullish, but it just means at least that things haven't really spun out of control anymore. Because yeah, things have spun out of control a little bit with the price breaking down there, but it's not like it's pure chaos or anything like that. Now, on the flip side, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 3750, that's where it becomes a little bit of common sense and gut instincts. Meaning, if you're answering the question that the price is, right there, okay, I mean, that's not a great thing, but it's not like it's total chaos. But if you're answering the question, the price is all the way down there at 3400, well, that would be telling you that this current downwards break that's occurred right here has picked up that much more momentum. So use these general levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for the next 24 hours until I'm back to do the next update. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.